Are you tired of the ups and downs of the trading market? Are you constantly searching for that one strategy that can help you predict reversals with 100% accuracy? Well, look no further. In this captivating video, we unveil a revolutionary trading technique that will change the way you approach the market forever. Brace yourself as we dive deep into the secrets of a strategy that has astounded traders worldwide. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to consistent profitability. Are you ready to transform your trading journey? Then join us as we embark on this remarkable adventure together. If you like our content that we create to give you the highest quality possible, do not hesitate to leave your like and subscribe to our channel. Let's add our main indicator called Fair Value Bands Dynamic Risk Levels Fair Value Metrics created by Quantify Tools. As we can see in its description, this indicator shows us visually where the price average is. And thanks to that we can take trades that seek the reversion to the mean of the price. Now we are going to modify the indicator. For that we go to the Inputs section of the indicator, where it says OHCL4, let's select Close. We can see that this indicator offers us several types of moving averages, but we are going to leave it at SMA. What we are going to change is the period from 20 to 5, so that it is more sensitive to the movement of the market. Now we go to the Styles section, and as we see there are many options. But we're going to uncheck everything except Extreme Fair Value Deviation Band Up Fill and Extreme Fair Value Deviation Band Down Fill. After unchecking everything, we're going to increase its opacity to 50% in both options. And the logic of this indicator is that when the price touches the top of the bands, we would take a short trade. And when the price touches the bottom of the bands, we take a long trade. Because it is an indication that the price is moving away from the average and should return. Now there is a problem regarding the reversion to the price mean, and that is that there are trends in trading. As we see in this same example, the price touched the top of the indicator, however there was no reversal. It just stopped for a bit and then continued its upward trend. To avoid this we are going to add another two indicators. First we add Reversal Indicator created by Strategic Charts. This indicator is based on the Bollinger Bands. Every time the price touches the lower or lower part, it sends us a possible reversal signal. But we have the same trend problem, so what this indicator does is create a filter to confirm the trade. And that filter is the second signal that appears after the R. So we are only going to trade when we have the confirmation signal. To achieve this we are going to modify its style. We're going to uncheck a few options. Second, we are going to add the volume indicator created by TradingView. We move it to pane below. And we are going to activate the moving average that it brings by default. And we're going to change it to white color for more visibility. Now that we have our strategy ready, I am going to explain how it works. Traders, if you're looking to automate this trading strategy into a bot that will be earning you passive income on a daily basis, Pionex is the solution for you. Pionex is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange offering not only 16 distinctive, built-in trading bots at absolutely no additional charge, but also introducing the first of its kind AI bot, Pionex GPT. This revolutionary AI bot creates automated trading strategies in PineScript, transforming your trading experience by generating personalized, high-performance trading strategies. With Pionex GPT, you can automate your trading strategy to its full potential, outperforming manual approaches and ensuring you are always one step ahead of the competition. Almost any trading strategy you find on our channel can be automated, including the one we are about to teach you. On Pionex GPT Marketplace, you can find dozens of free trading bots that generate high profits short and long term. You can make passive income just by copying these signals. How awesome is this? Join the Pionex family today and take advantage of a variety of exciting bonuses. Deposit 500 USDT or more to earn up to a 50 USDT reward. Start earning from the get-go and make your crypto trading journey even more profitable. Simply click the link in the description, sign up for Pionex and thank me later. Now we are in Euro-Dollar with time frame of 5 minutes. Now we are going to see how to take short trades. We have to meet the following conditions. First, we have to see that the price touches the top of the band. Second, we have to see the confirmation of the reversal indicator signal. Third, the trade must have enough volume. So the volume indicator should be above the moving average. Once we have met these conditions, we are going to take a short trade. We set the stop loss at the top of the band. And our take profit will be a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Let's see how the price develops. We see that it was a winning trade. So let's see other examples. Now we are in Bitcoin with a 15-minute time frame. Let's see how to take long trades. We have to meet the following conditions. First, we have to see that the price touches the bottom of the band. Second, we have to see the confirmation of the reversal indicator signal. In this case, the price touched the bottom of the band many candles earlier, but we did not get any confirmation from the reversal indicator. So, when that happens, we have to wait for the confirmation to take the trade, like in this example. Third, the trade must have enough volume. Then the volume indicator should be above the moving average. Once we have met these conditions, we are going to take a long trade. We set the stop loss at the bottom of the band. And our take profit will be a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Let's see how the price moves. We see that it was a winning trade. Let's look at another example. Now we are in Tesla with a 1-minute time frame. Let's see an example of a long trade. First, we have to see that the price touches the bottom of the band. Second, we have to see the confirmation of the reversal indicator signal. Third, the trade must have enough volume. Once we have met these conditions, we are going to take a long trade. We set the stop loss at the bottom of the band. And our take profit will be a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Let's see how the price moves. We see that it was a winning trade. As I have shown you, this strategy is very good. You just have to study it and apply it. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of discovering a groundbreaking trading strategy. We hope that the knowledge and insights shared in this video will empower you to achieve remarkable success in the market. Remember, with this game-changing technique in your arsenal, You have the power to accurately predict market reversals like never before. So go out there, implement what you've learned, and watch as your trading endeavors soar to new heights. Wishing you abundant profits and a future filled with financial prosperity. Stay tuned for more game-changing strategies and exciting content coming your way. Until next time, happy trading.